Hi everyone, my name is Clarence Mawikere, and together we'll unravel the rules of counting when it comes to permutation and combination. The rules of counting are crucial to understanding how to calculate permutations and combinations accurately. They provide us with a framework to determine the total number of possible outcomes in various scenarios. Two fundamental operations we'll explore today are addition and multiplication. We use addition or the operator or when we can't do things together at once. Imagine your favorite band from abroad is coming to your country, but unfortunately, they're not performing in your city. However, on the same day, your friend has invited you to be the MC at their birthday celebration, which is happening in your city. In this situation, you can't be in two places at once. You have to choose between attending the concert or being the MC at the birthday party. And since you can't do both simultaneously, we can use addition or the OR operation to consider the options. You have one option to attend the concert since it's not in your city, and one option to be the MC at the birthday party. Thus, the total number of possible choices for what to do on that day would be 1 option to attend the concert plus 1 option to be the MC, and a total of 2. Multiplication are used when the options can be done simultaneously, like pairing your shirt and jeans for example. Imagine you have 3 different shirts and 2 pairs of jeans to choose from. In this scenario, you can wear one shirt and one pair of jeans simultaneously. Thus, the total number of possible outfit combinations would be 3 options for shirts multiplied by 2 options for jeans, which is 6. Now that we know the basic concepts of rules of counting, let's take a look at our last example. Given that one has to go from point A to point C, in how many ways can they get there if there are 2 ways from A to B and 3 ways from B to C? To count the total ways one can travel from point A to point C, we need to consider alternatives. The logic is that when we have to go from one point to another, and there are multiple ways, we add them up. For example, from point A to point B, there are 2 paths to choose from. And since we can't take both paths simultaneously, we add them together to count the total ways from A to B. So 1 plus 1 equals 2. Then, from point B to point C, there are 3 paths to choose from. Again, because we can't take all these paths simultaneously, we add them up. 1 plus 1 plus 1 equals 3. But we're not done yet. Now that we know there are a total of 2 paths from A to B and 3 paths from B to C, we need to multiply this to find the total ways from A to C. Logically speaking, in order to travel from A to C, you can choose 2 paths from A to B and 3 paths from B to C. This can be done together, so we need to multiply them. 2 times 3 equals 6. And so the total number of ways one can go from point A to point C is 6.
And that ends our video here. Thank you so much for tuning in.